Guys, so before moving into the inheritance and stuff like that, we will see what is constructors. So suppose you all know how to write a class. Let me remove off all of these things, and then constructor is just like a method, okay? Special method. It's a method. So suppose I have a class named something like class, and the name of the class is something like capital Saf, my name, and to parentheses, I believe. Or do I need? No, I do not need any parentheses. So okay, the class and the name of the class, of course, this should be capital. Be careful about that. And then inside this, I will just go ahead and write a public, or maybe void, this thing, public void or public any class. I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. Do not feel overwhelmed about this constructor. I'll show you. See, we have this thing, class Saf. Okay, right? We have the class called Saf. So I will name a method or a function, by and the name of that method or that function is the name of the class. So I know it sounds confusing, but I'll go ahead and write something like, see, this guy is doing the same thing. It has the same name of the create a class constructor. So same name, right? It has the same name, but this is a function. So let's do that. So public Saf method. So let's put this in, and inside this class, let me create some space over here, and inside this class I have an integer called not string, a string called name. So the cool thing about this thing, wait, let me just initialize it with null. So the cool thing about this constructor, we'll see that constructors, it's very much cool and it's easy. Do not worry about anything. See, always remember, constructors are methods, right? Okay, constructors are method, but with the same name of the class. See, as you can see, the name of the class is Saf, and the method name is also Saf. If both of them are matching, then this is a constructor. So we will see, we will see that. I'll tell you all. So, and inside this constructor, I'll write the name as Saf. Okay, as is a function. Unless and until we do not call it, this will not assign the value of Saf to the name variable. So I hope that makes sense. And down below, we will create an object in this way, right? Okay, we will go ahead and create an object. I will create Saf. The name of the object is obj, and new Saf. Okay, right? So as soon as I create an object of this class, automatically this function will be called. So we do not have to explicitly call this function again. So as soon as I create this class object, this thing will be called. Saf function will be called. So let's print this name and check. So let's system.out.println obj.name. Yeah, in order to access any variable inside a class, we are supposed to write the object name dot this name. So let's press semicolon over here and let's run this thing. This should return Saf. So as you all can see, we did not even call this function, right? We did not even call it, but it automatically called itself and assigned this Saf. So when I head over to this thing, a constructor is in Java is a special method. It is a method, nothing new about that. It is a special method that is used to initialize objects. So as soon as I create a object over here of this class, this thing will be automatically called, and this thing will be assigned. Like we are using it to assign the name of Saf. The constructor is called, see this line, the constructor is called when an object of a class is created. So as soon as the object of the class is created over here on the 11th line, as soon as the class is created, this will be called. This constructor will be called. So let me just remove of these things. Yeah. So this is the constructor, and we have parameters inside that constructor too. We can assign in this way, like we can put this value over here, and we can have 2 or more constructors. That's fine too. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I suppose that's all you must know about constructors. Constructors are very easy. I mean, like, and I suppose they do not have much use, but something that you all should know about. So till then, goodbye and take care.